In the Edo period, a single artist reshaped the world of art. His name, Katsushika Hokusai.
A man who painted until his final breath, forever chasing perfection. Born in 1760 as Kawamura Tokitaro, Hokusai began drawing at the age of 6. He never stopped. Raised by a mirror maker for the shogun, he apprenticed as a woodcarver at 14 before entering the prestigious studio of Katsukawa Shunsho at 18. There, he mastered Ukiyo-e, the traditional art of woodblock prints, focusing on courtesans and kabuki actors. But Hokusai was different. He changed names more than 30 times throughout his life, as if each identity was a new chapter in his endless pursuit of beauty. From Shunro to countless other pseudonyms, he transformed with each artistic evolution. This revolutionary artist broke every rule, combining traditional Japanese techniques with Western perspective. He shifted ukiyo-e from portraits of people to breathtaking landscapes and seasons. And then came the masterpiece that shook the world.
The Great Wave off Kanagawa. Created between 1826 and 1833, this iconic wave captured a moment of raw natural power. The wave crossed oceans and reached every corner of the globe, becoming a symbol of Japan itself. Western masters like Van Gogh and Monet fell under its spell. Mount Fuji, eternal and sacred. Hokusai painted it from 36 angles in his legendary series, 36 Views of Mount Fuji. He sought not just the mountain, but the soul behind it. Each view revealed different moods, seasons, and perspectives of Japan's most revered peak. Through his innovative compositions, he captured fleeting moments in nature, birds in flight, flowers blooming, water flowing. Even at 88, Hokusai whispered, "If only heaven would grant me 10 more years, perhaps I could become a true artist." His passion never aged. His brush never died. Until 1849, he continued creating, always believing his greatest work lay ahead. Today, his art is reborn, not only on museum walls, but as masterpieces you can touch, feel, and assemble. Jigsaw Japan presents 10 iconic ukiyo-e works by Katsushika Hokusai, reborn as premium jigsaw for your room, for your family, for your spirit. Bring home a piece of Japan's eternal beauty. Art does not fade, it transforms. Complete the masterpiece with your own hands. Search Jigsaw Japan Ukiyo-e Puzzle Store.